Mark, what are your thoughts on innovation for the future?
By 2010, we're going to have the Global Innovation Olympic. I think that you're going to find that on a global basis, companies are going to be competing for the gold. And the companies that are going to win the gold are those that have operationalized themselves for innovation. In other words, companies that have put in sustainable innovation initiatives, initiatives that are able to bring about reliable, predictable ideas, okay, in a very process-oriented fashion that can allow them to be able to take these ideas and bring them into commercial products in a rapid time frame.
Do you think that this will be something that will be a mandatory situation or something that companies will have as just simply an option?
To tell you the truth, I don't believe that it's any more an option for companies to think about, operationalizing a sustainable innovation initiative. Companies, as I'm seeing them around the globe, have taken the step. Many of these global 2000 companies have taken the first step, and some have gone even further in operationalizing sustainable innovation. They realize that this is absolutely vital to the next decade. You see, the next decade is going to be a very challenging decade for all companies. It's going to determine which companies are going to win the gold, as I said, in attaining global market supremacy. So sustainable innovation is absolutely tied to global market supremacy.
What are the key challenges companies will be facing in the future?
Oh, I think that the key challenges that companies have are a multitude, probably more than ever before. I think we have, so to speak, for a CEO of a manufacturing entity, we have what they refer to as the perfect storm. It's a combination of products that are rapidly sunsetting, products that are going into obsolescence, and these products are going into obsolescence within the next few years because of the fact that the products are going to have to evolve into a more eco-friendly design. And number two, the fact is that companies are starting to consolidate their overall development to ideation to productization stage from 7 to 3 years. So the fact is that there is a need to be able to replace obsolete products within the next few years. And the other part of this so-called perfect storm is that the capacity, the existing staff of research development engineers within each company are starting to enter from the baby boomer generation into retirement. And that's starting to happen at a rapid rate that we will see up to 70% of the baby boomers within the next 3 to 5 years go into retirement. And that's going to lead to a huge void in each of these manufacturers' companies in terms of capacity to produce the void that's being created by the obsolescence of products.
What are some of the things that companies should be doing to maintain that competitive edge?
Companies, even in downtimes, have to be investing. I mean, it goes somewhat against the grain there, but companies must be investing in innovation. They must be investing in terms of the types of infrastructure they need, whether it's tools that are going to bring them more rapid ideation to productization. They also have to invest in people. They have to commit people in a dedicated fashion to operationalizing innovation across their global enterprise. And that's one thing. Another thing is that companies are going to have to understand what it means now to compete on a global basis more effectively. And what that means is they're going to have to go from incremental engineering into radical engineering output. And what do I mean by that? Companies are going to have to go and look at their strategies for product development and tailor those strategies to come out with not just incremental improvements in their products, but to come out with market-leading new products. And I think if you look at the winning companies, the companies that have looked at as the best of breed, best of class on a global basis, they have done that. So a lot of this is predicated on companies understanding how to come up with new ideas that convert into products, better ideas that make products better, and come up with ideas how to eliminate product defects, and finally ideas on how to evolve products into affordabilities for consumers